Preet Bharara, the previous U.S. lawyer for the Southern District of New York who was let go by President Donald Trump, says he trusts the president would have asked him to accomplish something unseemly in the event that he had remained longer in the activity. Bharara focuses to Trump's collaborations with James Comey, in which the president asked the previous FBI boss to drop the test into previous National Security Guide Michael Flynn, also a comparative discussion with Attorney General Jeff Sessions, in which Trump asked Sessions whether it is conceivable to drop a criminal body of evidence against dubious ex-Sheriff Joe Arpaio. Had I not been let go, and had Donald Trump kept on developing an immediate individual association with me, it's my solid conviction that, sooner or later, given the history, the leader of the United States would have requested that I accomplish something wrong, Bharara said on his new podcast, Stay Tuned with Preet. Bharara likewise depicted a progression of telephone calls he got from Trump amid the presidential change which left him persuaded that the president-elect was attempting to develop a relationship with the U.S. lawyer responsible for the area where Trump's land organization is found. As far as anyone is concerned, Donald Trump did not connect with some other U.S. lawyer, and none has approached to state they got a telephone call. It appeared as though it was simply me, he said. The third time Trump connected with Bharara, in March, he chose not to accept the call. I have motivation to accept later that no one realized that Donald Trump was calling me from the Oval Office, Bharara said. I'm not saying he would instruct me to accomplish something I shouldn't do, yet I thought even the telephone call was an issue. Bharara told the White House that was not inspired by another on-one discussion with the president. After a day, he was let go. Individuals ask me, for what reason do you think you were let go? And I say, I don't know. I'm set up to trust bunches of things are conceivable. It could be on account of somebody got irate that I did interest or the telephone call. It may be the case that individuals suspected that these U.S. lawyers were a piece of this illogical idea of the profound state. It could be a mix of reasons. It could have been a mishap and they chose to stay with it. It may be the case that they didn't need free individuals around, he said. A White House representative did not instantly react to a demand for input from CNBC.